Right, so this is a part 2 or follow-up if you like of the AIRSOFT Innovations XL Burst Impact Banger Grenade.
Now, in part 1, the first video, you saw that it did go bang and it did startle me. That was genuine. However, if I had tightened this cap even tighter, I would have gotten different results. You see, if this cap that holds your burst element was screwed on really tight, it would prevent this burst element from flying out of the grenade. So what I've done, I have it here at home with me, and yes, that's my kitchen floor. I couldn't be bothered to take this into the Airsoft Mike HQ to do a whole new part 2 when I could just do it here at home.
So to recap, if I've done this correctly, that burst element will not fly out of the grenade, it will just burst and you'll get a louder bang. Here we go. Oh, nice. Now technically, that burst element should still be in the grenade. It shouldn't have flown out, it should have just burst. Let's have a look. And yes, look, we have success. If you can see there, the burst element is still in the grenade. And there you go, once you've taken the burst element out, that's exactly what it should look like. Nice.
So once again, thank you to Redwolf Airsoft UK, and do check the video description where you will see a direct link for this airsoft grenade and also a link for the resupply kit.